Hello and welcome to Adobe Animate CC software training. Today we're going to be looking at making an animated graphic symbol. So first of all, I'm going to go to the Polygon Tool and I'm going to select it. I'm going to go to Tools and make sure that Star is selected and click OK. So with the Shift tool selected, I'm going to create a star. And then with the selection tool, I'm going to select it and I'm going to choose modify, convert to symbol, choose graphic and call this star. And then click OK. And then we're going to go inside the timeline and I'm going to select a range of frames, right click, choose convert to keyframes. And in each keyframe, I'm going to select the star here and I'm going to change it to a different color. So I'm just going to select the star and change each color. Just select it there. So basically we're creating a frame by frame animation of this star, changing to different colors. So I'm going to select and third to last. Select here and down here. And select and go here. Great, so I've got 10 frames of this star animating. So if I go back to the main timeline, we have our star, and if I insert frame at frame 10 and use the playback head, press play, you should be able to see our star going through. Now with that selected, if I go to the library, so we should be able to see the star that we've created. So I'm just going to create a new layer and I'm just going to drag out multiple copies of this star. So I'm holding down the Alt key and I'm making multiple copies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the properties inspector and I'm going to tool down the loop, and with this star selected it will start on the first frame. If you remember, if we double click and go into symbol editing mode, the first frame was orange, the second frame was yellow, and the third frame was a deep red, and so forth. So if we go back to the main timeline, we're going to have this star start at number 1. I'm going to select this one, so we'll have this one at number 2, and if we select this one, we'll have this one starts at number 3, and let's select this one, 4, and this one, 5, and this one, 6, and this one, 7, and this one, 8, and this one, 9, and this one, 10. Great, so we've got our stars starting at different times. I think I've just changed the background of this movie, and let's make that a darker grey so that we can actually see what's going on here. And if we press play, and let's loop we should be able to see our animations all twinkly, different colours.